Have you seen the robots coming out of Japan? These next-generation humanoids and mind-blowing technologies are redefining what we thought was possible, and the world can't stop talking about it. The Japan Mobility Show showcased cutting-edge innovations in technology and robotics, featuring contributions from engineers across the nation. While the focus was on advanced smart machines, some unconventional designs captured attention, including a bus with legs reminiscent of Star Wars creations. Although details about this intriguing project are limited, it's unclear if it will ever become road-ready. Another highlight was the ARX, a 4.5-meter tall piloted transforming robot, demonstrating Japan's potential to make the seemingly impossible a reality. Priced at $3 million, the robot is built with a combination of iron pipes, aluminum alloy, steel plates, and plastic elements that enhance its aesthetic appeal. The pilot inside the machine can control all its limbs and reach speeds of up to 10 km/h. Weighing 3.5 tons, the robot operates on electricity, though its battery autonomy remains undisclosed. Meanwhile, Yamaha unveiled the Motoroid 2, a smart motorcycle capable of dancing, with nearly every part, including the handlebars and engine, being movable. This advanced bike incorporates a neural network-based autopilot system, but Yamaha has kept further details under wraps. Honda also showcased unique self-moving chairs at the show, reminiscent of the floating seats from the animated movie Wall-E. These innovations highlight the creative engineering presented at the Japan Mobility Show. The humanoid robot PX5 was showcased this year, impressing audiences with its advanced capabilities. Designed to maintain balance, the PX5 can navigate rough terrains like lawns and gravel with ease. Its dynamic abilities include playing soccer and even riding a Segway. Unlike many robots, the PX5 features a human-like walking motion without squatting, thanks to its independently developed high-performance joints, ensuring exceptional stability. The robot can operate both indoors and outdoors, overcoming obstacles for more than 2 hours. Its functional arms can lift up to 3 kilograms each and perform tasks with precision, utilizing double levers for an impressive load-to-weight ratio. The PX5 offers multiple degrees of freedom and delicate gripping motions, mimicking the dexterity of human hands. In addition to the PX5, XBang revealed an innovative 6-wheel minivan equipped with a passenger drone stored in the trunk, showcasing the cutting-edge ingenuity present at the event. The modular flying car features a unique design with 2 integrated parts, enabling smooth transitions between ground and aerial modes. The aerial module, a fully electric aircraft, offers vertical takeoff capabilities for low-altitude flights and supports both manual and automatic controls for ease of use. The ground module, which houses the aerial module, serves as a functional vehicle, accommodating 4 to 5 passengers and running on an extended-range hybrid power system capable of multiple recharges for the aerial module. This innovative design is versatile, suitable for personal use in public services, such as emergency rescues, addressing both government and private sector needs. The growing interest in flying cars and trucks reflects a shift toward futuristic transportation solutions. At Tech Day 2023, Xpeng also showcased the eVTOL flying car, a sleek combination of supercar aesthetics and advanced technology. Its intelligent cabin seamlessly adapts to driving or flying modes, with the steering wheel and dashboard transforming to match the selected mode, offering a glimpse into the future of mobility. At the exhibition, a fully functional prototype of the futuristic flying car was on display, proving it's more than just a concept render. We eagerly await live video demonstrations of the car in action, navigating real roads and utilizing all its transportation modes. Meanwhile, the humanoid robot Digit, which recently started work in an Amazon warehouse, faces strong competition. Manufacturers of the self-balancing 2-wheeled robot EvoBot have highlighted its advantages over more complex humanoid designs. Unlike humanoid robots, EvoBot can travel at speeds of up to 60 km/h, significantly faster than the usual 5 to 6 km/h. It can lift and carry loads of up to 65 kg, more than triple its previous 20 kg limit, and can transport up to 100 kg if loaded by someone else. While its rotating grips may lack the finesse of humanoid hands, they offer greater efficiency for practical tasks, making EvoBot a compelling alternative in robotics for logistics and delivery. The EvoBot is designed for efficiency, with grips that are more than adequate for grabbing, lifting, and moving boxes. Standing waist high, the 40-kilos robot can access shelves up to chest height and operate for up to 8 hours, handling slopes as steep as 45 degrees and navigating uneven terrain. If it falls, it has the ability to right itself, something its competitor Digit has only recently mastered. Which robot would you trust more for your warehouse? EvoBot's manufacturers also unveiled another impressive concept, an autonomous jack. Equipped with omnidirectional mechanism wheels and dynamic suspension, this machine can function both indoors and outdoors. It travels at speeds of up to 36 km/h and uses LiDAR, GPS, and 3D cameras for precise navigation and environmental awareness. This cutting-edge tech enables it to accurately position itself around objects, showcasing the future of robotic logistics. The autonomous jack lowers its suspension to grasp pallets, deploying large levers to lift them from both sides using the same openings as a forklift. This design allows it to move pallets with remarkable precision, even in tight, confined spaces. In an unexpected study by the United Nations, researchers revealed that artificial intelligence is likely to have the most significant impact on women's employment. While AI is often associated with superhuman capabilities, scientists concluded that generative AI won't replace humans entirely. Instead, it will automate specific tasks, making it a tool to assist rather than fully substitute human workers. The potential applications of this technology are vast and promising. Artificial intelligence is poised to significantly impact clerical work, automating between a quarter and a third of tasks in this sector. Since the majority of employees in clerical roles are women, they are expected to be the most affected by this shift. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics' groundbreaking work continues to inspire researchers worldwide. German AI researchers have been working to teach their humanoid robot to move in sync with music. They developed a new control system that uses rhythm timing and features extracted from the music to guide the robot's movements. However, the project appears to lack full refinement, possibly due to limited time or budget. In another development, Doosan Robotics has partnered with Microsoft to create robots powered by GPT technology, signaling a new frontier in AI-driven robotics. Microsoft Azure OpenAI is providing Doosan with access to GPT technology, which Doosan Digital Innovation will adapt for their robots. This partnership aims to create a new control system that simplifies and accelerates robot programming. By integrating GPT, the robots will be able to understand the context and nuances of their tasks, adjusting their actions in real time. For example, Doosan's collaborative robots, cobots, designed for food and beverage preparation, could respond to simple voice commands like "prepare a dish." The robot would then determine the best sequence of actions and complete the task efficiently. GPT integration also allows robots to access a database of existing code and learn from it, eliminating the need for programmers to manually code each new task. From humanoid robots that can play soccer to flying cars that blur the line between science fiction and reality, Japan's groundbreaking innovations are shaping the future right before our eyes. If you're as amazed as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more incredible tech stories, and let us know in the comments which invention blew your mind the most. See you in the next video.